Namaste. This is Srinivas Sharma. I'm astrologer and teaching astrology for the students. So we have few interesting discussion today. KGF chapter 2 release date planets rule. I'm teaching subject for my students. They have posed a question. Sir, we have one doubt. When the prashna can influence, we want to know one film release, that is KGF part 2. What will be the future of the movie? I told them I am not a film interested personality to predict the events, but they are curious to know on that day planetary influence. That now I am going to narrate. KGF chapter 2 release day planets position is our focus. This comes on 16th July 2021. Here I am showing you the South Indian chart format. Those who are familiar with this chart can focus. And this is only designed for the academic interest, those who know the chart reading and basics of astrology. And others just can listen my words and come to know. So this is the 16 July 2021 planetary position South Indian chart. This is releasing globally. If the movie is releasing on particular place, we have to take that particular place and the time for the lagna. Here, this is happening globally. We are taking Chandra as a beginning. Now we focus from the Chandra and all other planets how they impact on that day. Chandra is in Kanya Rashi. Chandra stands for the mind and the mood of the people, and also this stands for the public. So Chandra is in Kanya Rashi and Chitta Nakshatra is a very powerful combination. And Chandra from here, he is the 11th house lord. 11th house stands for the fulfillment of desires. So Chandra position is highly supportive here. Now the next position is, we have to see the Buddha and Ravi. Buddha is in own house. This is the third sign of the zodiac and he is in own house. And from Chandra, he is in a 10th house. This gives very good Raja Yoga in the name of Bhadra Mahapurusha Yoga. And Ravi joining this gives Buddhaditya Yoga. This is supportive picture on that day. Now next we focus. The Kuja and Shukra are in Kataka Rashi. Kataka Rashi belongs to Chandra. Chandra is in good position. And Shukra is in 11th house. Shukra stands for the film industry, glory, everything. Kuja shows the technical fineness, refineness with the Shukra. This is happening in the 11th house. Is supporting on that day. Now Rahu. Rahu stands for the beyond border. And this is happening 9th house from the Chandra. 9th house stands for the fate. So this is highly supporting for the fate of the movie. The combination of Rahu and Chandra in the same direction shows it's creating a hype. It's already created the hype and many rights have sold for the good records. This is further improving. So this combination shows hype. Now the next planet's position we focus. The Ketu in the third house from Chandra is also good. The important planet Shani is in a fifth house. and Makara Rashi is own house. Shani in the own house, that too in the fifth house, shows the entertainment. The film is nothing but entertainment. So the Shani is supporting. This Shani is watched by Kuja and Shukra, and Shani watching Kuja and Shukra is the good combination to go for the success of the movie. Now the finally the divine planet Guru. Without the support of Guru, the divinity fate won't work much. So the divine planet Guru is watching the 10th house, that is the profession of the movie. With all this combination, the releasing day is good. Why they selected that day only? Again, finally, we say the matching of the time. They are destined to have success. They selected the good day, or the film industry or the censor board given them the good time to continue. Now, finally, we have to focus the Panchanga on that day. The Panchanga are the five elements of the time. First is a week, Friday. Friday Lord is Shukra. Shukra is in good position. He is supporting. On that day, star day is Chitra. Chitta Nakshatra is ruled by Kuja. Kuja is in 11th house. He is supporting. The Tithi. The Tithi is Saptami. Normally, for all good function, they take Saptami as a Tithi. And this is Shiva Yoga. Is also good. Karana is Garija Karana. So, by looking all these combinations, the movie is going to be success, and it will create hype, and also it records, and the longevity is good. It will run for more time, and people remember this movie forever. These are the pictorial details and narration of astrological impact just because of the academic interest. We are not from, or we are not sponsored by anyone to narrate all this, just for the students of astrology and to know the planetary impacts on the individual day. This has been narrated. If you like this video, please like this, share this, and subscribe my channel. My channel is Learn Astrology with Smile. Srinivas Sharma, Bangalore.